Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. Do you know how to fix Facebook search button not working? So here is the solution. Please follow me. Go to Play Store, search Facebook, update. It will take some time to get update. Now go back. Go to phone settings. Click on it. Find apps. Tap on app management. Find Facebook. Search it. Click on it. Tap on force stop. Force stop. Tap on storage uses. Tap on clear cache. Tap on manage space. Read the message clearly. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. So please make sure you want to delete or not. So here I'm deleting it. Let's go back. Restart the phone. After restarting the phone, you just open Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Log in with existing ID you are using. Click on save and go ahead. Continue. App settings allow Facebook to access your location. If you want to allow this, you can do it. Other than, you can tap on not now. Now you can see the search button is here. See, you can easily search whatever you want. You can go to anyone's profile if you are particularly trying to find somebody, and you can see everything is there. I hope this is going to help you out. Thank you for watching.